guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video we are going to be wrapping up our jump function, so let's get into it. So firstly, go open up Unity, of course. Oh my god, open up Unity, hello. And then once you do that, open up your racer. And then once you do this, you wanna you wanna go into your jump script, but I'll show you what we did in the last video if you weren't here. In the last video, if you play our game now and you go into the console like this, as you can see, alright, so it doesn't work every single time because there's like a specific strategy, but yeah, there you go. Did you see that? It had like a little glitch effect to it. That's what happens. And yeah, so that's basically all that happens. It like glitches out, sort of. That's all we did to change. That's all we did to change. So it's like that. So it goes like first person. Wait, there you go. If you saw that, wait. Yeah, there you go. Yep. See, it goes first person, and it should print out we grounded, but sometimes it just doesn't. Like it's normal like that. Don't worry if it doesn't. It's normal like that. If it doesn't print out we grounded, it's normal. Don't worry. It's nothing serious we need to change, because there's no point. At least if our glitch works, like it glitches out, that's all we need to matter about. But anyway, just go on your project and open up jump script. And all we're gonna write, it's a quick episode today. All we're gonna go into to change right now is go into the void update, and we're gonna go into the U, and we're gonna do capital F fixed, so it's fixed update. And you're gonna go into the parentheses, and now we're gonna write a if statement in here. So let's write if, and then space a parenthesis, and then we're gonna write input with a capital I, input dot add force, and then sorry, not add force, oh my god, my bad, not add force, don't worry, get get key down dot get key down, there we go. So when we press our key, it works. Like we haven't said the key yet, but we will in just a second. And then you're gonna write another parenthesis. Inside that, you're gonna write a key code. So key, and then code dot space, like our space bar. And then once we do that, we're gonna go into these parentheses, and then we're gonna write the thing. It's like an and sign. If you've seen in school ever, instead of writing and like that, they write it like this. It's above your 7. It's like on your 7. You just gotta press shift to get it. So just press a space and then 2 of these, and then is grounded. Is grounded, so it prints out is grounded as well. And then a semicolon. There you go. Sorry, not a semicolon. My bad. You wanna write a squiggly bracket, then you want to push enter because it's an if statement. That's how you can fix an if statement. But anyway, now go into the parentheses and write rigid body. There we go, it pops up. Rigid body dot add force, there we go. And then now what you want to write is you want to do a parenthesis, then jump value, oh there we go, jump value, comma space, oh wait, no, not comma space, you know, write an asterisk, I'm pretty sure it's called, and then jump force this time, say force, sorry about that, and then force mode, so just force mode, there we go, and then last thing you want to write is dot impulse. There we go, it pops up. And last bit is you guessed it, semicolon. And next line now is, it's pretty easy. You can literally copy paste it from here. Just write is grounded and then equals false. Control C, Control V. We didn't even have to type that. And then the last one is a print statement to finish it off, because we're gonna be on our what's that, the track. So we're gonna be writing a print statement for we jumping. So we're gonna write print and then quotation marks we and then jumping, and then add a semicolon to end it off. Now you just want to save your code. Oh wait, no, that's edit. Save your code, or you could just press Control S. I don't really care what you do. At least if it's saved, go back to Unity. Go back to Unity. Wait for like the code to like sync in. Wait. Okay, there we go. The code is synced in. Now let's go into and run our game. There we go. Oh wait, and let's go to the console. So console. There we go. We should, without any problems, be able to. Yep, it jumps itself. Let's go. Okay, there we go. As you can see, it jumps itself out in some situations. And if we're really stuck, like I'll show you in a sec. If we're really stuck, we just press spacebar and it gets our situation out. So wait. See? Yep, there we go. Let's go. Okay, it works. There we go, guys. So now if we're stuck like this, we can just press the spacebar and it will get us out. It will like force us out. Like it would just like, yeah. But yeah, it would just, yep, right there I pressed space and it got me out. So wait, let me try to get like very stuck, like here. Like as you can see, I'm pressing W, doesn't move, and we can just get out if we press space. So yeah, guys, that is the end of today's video. Okay, now I lost my mouse. Great. Okay, there it is. Okay. Alright, so that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to save your Unity. I already did. I'll just do it again in case, because you never know what will happen. Save your Unity and close out of your Unity, because that is the end of today's video. In the next video, we're going to be designing our racetrack, so be ready for that. That's going to be very exciting. So yeah, guys, that is the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.